jelly with is first peanut butter. So you put on peanut butter.
What do you put peanut butter on?
Bread.
Oh. You're doing a really great job.
Yes, I am. I'm just using it with my hand to get off the spoon. So see, that's how you do it.
And then what do you need?
Honey, but I'm almost done. Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands right now. I'll be right back. My name is Karen. I put peanut butter on first, and I went to the restroom to wash my hands off because they were sticky. Then I'm going to put on some of this.
You're doing a really great job. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Now what?
You put it together. Like this. And then you made a sandwich. Then you eat it.
Great job.
Yes.